Ever wonder what the future of Linux looks like? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the latest from the Fedora project, the Fedora Linux 40 beta. Are you ready to explore? Let's get started. Fedora Linux 40 beta is the next step towards the planned release at the end of April. This release includes several additions such as Fedora Workstation, Fedora Server, Fedora IoT, Fedora Cloud, and Fedora Core OS. Now, let's discuss some key features in this release. First, PyTorch, a popular open-source machine learning framework, is now available to install with one easy command. Let's delve deeper into the Fedora IoT features. Fedora IoT now uses OS tree native containers, also known as bootable containers. This significant development showcases the next generation of the OS tree technology for operating system composition. OS tree is a technology that combines a Git-like model for committing and downloading bootable file system trees, and a layer for deploying them and managing the bootloader configuration. This change means Fedora IoT is moving towards an operating system suitable for edge and IoT use cases. Edge computing brings computation and data storage closer to where needed to improve response times and save bandwidth. IoT, or Internet of Things, refers to the billions of physical devices worldwide connected to the Internet, collecting and sharing data. This update to Fedora IoT provides a robust and reliable platform for these devices, with the ability to handle updates atomically, meaning they can be applied all at once or not at all, preventing partial updates and improving system reliability. This also includes easy rollback capability and a safety net for system updates. Next, let's discuss Fedora Core OS. Fedora Core OS is crucial to the Fedora Linux 40 beta release. Fedora Core OS is an automatically updating, minimal operating system for running containerized workloads securely and at scale. It's designed to be managed at the machine level rather than at the application level, providing a reliable platform for clusters of machines running container orchestration systems. Fedora Core OS combines the provisioning tools and automatic update model of Container Linux with the packaging technology, OCA support, and SE-Linux security of Atomic Host. This provides a secure, scalable, and reliable platform for your containerized applications. Now, let's talk about Fedora Server. Fedora Server is a powerful, flexible operating system with the latest data center technologies. It puts you in control of all your infrastructure and services. Fedora Server typically includes the latest enterprise class technologies from the server to the cloud. It offers an easy administration interface called Cockpit, which makes it easy to manage multiple servers from a single interface. Fedora Server also includes the Rolekit tool, which provides server roles that are structured and repeatable sets of tasks and services on the server. This allows administrators to quickly set up specific functions like domain controllers, LDAP servers, and web servers. Fedora KDE Desktop now ships with Plasma 6, thanks to much hard work from the Fedora KDE Special Interest Group and the upstream KDE project. Fedora Workstation 40 beta brings us GNOME 46. We're bringing you Podman 5 for container management. The MDR-OCM Accelerator framework is updated to version 6. And we've got the updated language stacks you expect from a new release. LLVM 18, that's Clang and Friends, as well as GCC 14 with newer glibc, bin utils, and GDB. As with any beta release, we expect you may encounter bugs or missing features. To report issues encountered during testing, contact the Fedora quality team. Your feedback is crucial in making Fedora Linux 40 the best release yet. That's a wrap on our first look at Fedora Linux 40 beta. Remember, this is just a taste of what's to come. So, stay tuned for the full release at the end of April. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.